I'm just wrapping up my time here in Puerto Rico. So my name is Raquel Olmo. I'm an occupational therapist. I'm always looking for ways to provide something that's easy for parents to continue doing to benefit their children, to benefit the whole family. A lot of families who are living in poverty are the ones that are struggling the most because they have a lot of stressors and not sure what to do, don't have the tools. So what I've done with Play for Promise, what I've created with Play for Promise is serving these families. Specifically in New York, I go into shelters and speak to families about the developmental milestones, especially from 0 to 3, where most brain growth happens, and how play is so important, hence Play for Promise. So you play for a child's promise and potential, cognitively, developmentally, emotionally, social developmentally, so many benefits to play, not just them playing themselves or with friends, but also with their parents and their family. I tell the parents that it's another form of nutrition. We think of food as providing nutrition, but rarely do we think of massage. And occupational therapy would say proprioceptive input, where we provide information to the body, deep pressure to the joints and throughout the body to help children be more alert and also relaxed. And it's a tool that parents, once they learn how to use it, it's something that's sustainable, it's free of cost, they can put it in their routines. Pediatric massage therapy is something that supports not only the child but the parent, because it diffuses anxiety, it diffuses a lot of stress, and it's just something that you can continue to do. And you know what I've been telling the parents is, if your child feels better, your child behaves better, your child learns better. And I'm looking forward to coming back. There's a lot more that I want to do. This is just the tip of the iceberg, but I'm happy to be doing it here, where my family's from, where my heritage is from, and doing so much more. So I'm closing it out here in La Perla. This has been 4 years in the making, and I'm here, and I'm grateful to be here, and I'm grateful to the families that participated and received the information so well.